Welcome to this tutorial on creating a moderated study in Userlytics. In this video, we'll go over all the necessary steps of creating and managing your moderated sessions. Now, let's get started. Creating a study. Go to the Userlytics Project and Account Management System, or PAM. Click on Create Study in the top right corner. Select your team and project. Choose the team and project your study will belong to. Choose study type. Select moderated testing as your study type, then click Continue. Set up your study. Now you're in the study builder. First, pick a public name for your study. This is what participants will see, so make it relevant. Optionally, set an internal name for your team's use. Then choose the max session time and study language. Click Next. Add participants. In the Participants section, choose the participant device. Decide where your participants will come from, whether you're using your own or selecting from Userlytics panel. If using Userlytics panel, define demographic criteria like country, gender, and age. Use Advanced Filter for more specific targeting. Now, let's go over how to schedule and manage your moderated study on Userlytics. Schedule your sessions. To schedule sessions, click the Schedule menu at the top of your screen. Select your time zone and click Save. To set your availability, simply drag across your preferred time blocks on the calendar. Next, specify the maximum number of sessions per day and the buffer time you'd like between sessions. The system will automatically generate time slots for participants to choose from. Adjust the advance notice setting to avoid unexpected last-minute bookings. This ensures you'll always have enough time to prepare for each session. Drag the top or bottom of any block to adjust its duration, or move the entire block to a new time. With the Observer Invite feature, you can easily add observers to all newly booked sessions in one step. Click the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the calendar, select Invite Observers, and enter their name and email address. Hit Send and repeat the process to add more observers as needed. When a participant books a session, email invitations are automatically sent to all observers, including reminders and a direct link to join the study. It's a seamless way to ensure everyone stays informed and ready to collaborate. You can also sync this to an external calendar to make it easier for you to check and manage all the slots. When a session gets reserved, you will receive a notification email and will be able to add the testing session to your personal calendar. Rescheduling, deleting time slots. To cancel a session, go to the moderated study calendar and select the session you want to cancel. Then click the trash can icon. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Click Cancel this session to confirm the cancellation. Both the participant and the moderator will be notified via email. It's important to remember that to avoid charges, cancel at least 4 hours before the session starts.
Screener. A good way to ensure your participants fit your target demographic is by using screeners in your study. Our Advanced Study Builder allows you to add customizable screeners at the beginning of your test to include or exclude participants based on their responses. Add a screener question. To add a screener, choose from a pre-saved list of single choice, multiple choice, or rating questions on the left menu. You can also create your own by clicking the Add Question button in the middle of the page. In a single choice question, participants can only choose one answer. Based on their answer, they'll either be rejected, qualified, or moved to another screener question. For example, if you want only renters for your study, ask, "Are you a homeowner?" Participants who answer yes will be rejected, while those who answer no will qualify. Using screeners is a great way to refine your participant pool and ensure they meet your criteria. For more details, visit our help section on the website. Activities. Now let's move on to the final and most important part of creating your UX study, designing activities for your participants. Userlytics offers pre-designed activity blocks for creating various types of quantitative and qualitative activities. If you want to create your study quickly, you can use our popular activities, which are pre-designed and ready to go. Simply drag and drop activities from the left menu to the right to build your study from scratch. Or you can select from our templates and customize them to suit your needs. We also have detailed tutorials and demos on specific activity types, so be sure to check those out for more guidance. Preview and publish. Once you've set up your activities, it's time to preview what you've created. This step is crucial to ensure everything flows smoothly. Once the preview is launched, take a moment to review your activities and make sure you're satisfied with the experience for your participants. When you're ready, click on Confirmation Step. Check the study summary one last time. And finally, hit Publish Study. And that's it. Your study is live and ready for participants. If you want to dive deeper into specific features, be sure to check our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos or the help section on our website. And of course, reach out to our support team for any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy testing!